What's up, guys? More Medic One here. And guys, I've been having this set of 3/8 drive, this super set from Cornwell for probably close to 15, maybe 20 years. And about a decade ago, I lost the 11/16. As you can tell, this isn't the correct one. Don't know where it went. May have gotten borrowed. This is a, I don't know, Great Neck. I think that came from AutoZone, but I saw a Cornwell truck pass by the shop the other day, and I stopped him and I said, "Hey, will you sell me a socket?" And he said, "Absolutely." So now she's complete. You would not believe what that socket cost. If you know, you know. But holy crap, now she's complete. But yeah, 35 bucks for one socket. Absolutely ridiculous.